Introduction. In this edition of BIS Talks, we will discuss about a mixer grinder, which is undoubtedly the most significant machine in a modern kitchen. This wonder machine has completely revolutionized the way of cooking. Mixer grinder is a portable mill that combines the mixing and grinding operations. When it comes to the repetitive and monotonous work of mixing, grinding, and blending the food ingredients that go in your delicious recipes, a mixer grinder comes to your rescue. Gone are the days when such activities were done manually. Now they are done with the help of a mixer grinder in a jiffy. Although there are mixer grinders that can be operated manually, the modern mixer grinders are usually propelled by electric motors along with stainless steel jars. Uses of mixer grinder. A mixer grinder is undoubtedly one of the most sought after kitchen appliances in Indian homes. Lately, the reference of mixer grinder has got broadened enough to include the concept of food processor within itself. The new generation high-tech mixer grinders and food processors are brilliant at multitasking, performing various functions such as mixing, grinding, blending, stirring, extracting juices, slicing, mincing, chopping, and many more. Benefits of ISI marked products. The presence of many brands and a variety of models being offered by each one of them makes choice making difficult. Here are the various benefits of the ISI marked products. An ISI marked product verifies its quality to its customers. An ISI marked product decreases the business losses as well as product brush off. An ISI marked product guarantees both better performance and longer shelf life. You can identify an ISI marked product by checking its label and verify its authenticity in BIS Care application by searching license no mention on the product. Quality Control Order. Mixer grinder has been covered under IS 4250. As per quality control order issued by central government, this product falls under mandatory certification for wattage up to 750 watt. The information of quality control orders can be viewed on BIS website under the following link: Conformity Assessment, Product Certification, Product under Compulsory Certification, and Product Manual can be downloaded from BIS website bis.government.in. Manufacturing process. Manufacturing of mixer grinder consists of several steps such as molding of plastic parts, motor manufacturing, jar manufacturing, and assembly for all the parts. Molding is the process of manufacturing by shaping liquid or pliable material using a rigid frame called a mold. When molding plastic, a powder or liquid polymer is placed into a hollow mold so the polymer can take its shape. The main method of molding used in manufacturing components for mixer is compressive molding. Major components of a motor are shaft, aluminium cast body, commutator, carbon brush, brush field winding. After assembly of motor, shaft height of the motor is checked with the given gauge. High voltage test panel is set to 1.5 kV and one probe of the panel is placed with motor's carbon brush and the other probe with the bottom of the motor for 5 seconds. Motor should be withstood in 1.5 kV for 5 seconds. After passing the test, conforming motor are sent in line of assembly of mixer grinder. Motor is fitted in plastic parts and tied with a screw. ISI marked power cord having size 0.5 square mm is connected with carbon brush and rotary switch. After that motor is connected with rotary switch and carbon brush, it has to assure that connection must be proper and should be fixed tightly. Red wire for high speed, yellow for medium speed, and white for low speed. After that switch is fitted in alignments with the internal assembly and final base cover is tight with the screw. Mixer is checked with high voltage test at 1.5 kV for 5 seconds with earthing and live neutral It should be withstand in 1.5 kilovolts for 5 seconds. Check the ECR of the mixer. Mixer should be okay at protection against electric shock. Check the unit in the test panel by running it in 230 volts. There should not be any kind of different sound and sparking in the motor. Check the motor at all 3 speeds and whips. Check that the motor is not jammed. There is no vibration of any kind in the mixer. Jar is checked with the unit of sound. Play an imbalance of blade, then transfer to the water test for leakage test for 10 minutes. Handle must be tight. Jar should not place over jar to avoid socket scratches. After checking the mixer completely, match all 3 jars, liquid, dry and chutney jar received from jar assembly with the mixer unit. After cleaning the jars and mixer body, marking is done as per Indian standard and product is packed along with instruction booklet. Testing of mixer grinder. Protection against electric shock. Appliances shall be constructed and enclosed so that there is adequate protection against accidental contact with live parts. Input test. Appliance is operated at rated voltage and normal load as declared in the variety. Power input shall not be more than 15% of 60 watt from the rated power input. Electrical insulation and leakage current at operating temperature. Appliance shall withstand high voltage of 1000 volts for 1 minute. The maximum amount of leakage current shall not be more than 210 microampere. Provision of earthing. Provision for earthing. Earthing terminals shall be adequately secured against accidental losing. Earth resistance shall not exceed 0.1 ohm. Stability and mechanical hazards. The appliance is placed in any normal position of use on a plane incline at the angle of 10 degrees from the horizontal with supply cord resting on the inclined plane. The appliance shall not overturn. Starting. Appliance shall start at room temperature and at normal load 3 times at a voltage equal to 0.85 times the rated voltage at lower setting of speed. Temperature withstand test for bowl. Boil water is poured into bowl at room temperature rapidly up to its capacity. Boil is emptied and bring back to room temperature. This process is repeated for 5 times. The bowl shall not show any sign of cracks or deformation. This test is not applicable in case the bowl is made of metal. For license of this product, you can submit application under simplified process on our website manakonline.in. Please visit our website bisgovernment.in for information regarding this product.